Well, hey there, boys and girls of the YouTube world. Today, Duff Dog and I got a special episode for you. So it turns out there's a little burnout challenge competition thing going on. Maybe not so much competition, but a challenge going on. Started with old Zip Ties and Bias Plies and DD Speed Shop and a couple of those guys. They thought, let's do some burnouts to ring in the new year and just forget about 2020. Blow out some tires to blow out 2020, something like that. Anywho, those guys called out DeBoss Garage. DeBoss Garage called out Coastal Auto Reaction over in Western Canada, the car guys. And those guys, they did an epic burnout with a porta potty. Go check it out. In the back of their swept line. Then they called me out. So, I guess we better get in on this. The bad news is, we got nothing around here that runs other than the skid steer. And I guess one guy did a burnout in a tractor, but I don't think we're gonna do a burnout on that. This thing's hissing coolant all over, and I don't even really know if it runs yet. This thing we almost had going, fighting the clutch, got the clutch going. And now the carburetor's not working at all, so let's go see what we got that we can do a burnout with, Duff. That one don't run, Duffy. We can't take that one. This one's our daily, so that wouldn't be any fun. Plus we got the challenge of snow out here, so that'll either aid or assist in the burnouts or detract. We did pick up this sweet gem of a 88 GMC four-wheel drive. Has it got keys? Oh, it's got keys. Has it got an engine? Can't get the hood open, Duff. Well, guess we're not going to do a burnout on that because we can get the hood open. None of them run. That grain truck, I don't know. It's probably got some good gears in it for doing burnouts, but I feel like the old 230, 250 ain't gonna like that. That don't run. That needs a radiator. It's got expensive tires on it. What about this thing? I wonder if we could get this to run, huh? Huh? They got bias plies on it? They look like bias plies. Good enough. Good enough. No battery. Looks like we're gonna need a side post. We got a few of them around. Let's go grab one, see what happens. We got our stupid side post battery cables hooked up. Boy, if that ain't the dumbest thing they ever come up with. We'd check fluids, but we don't do that around here. Hopefully the keys are in it. Oh yeah. Turns over real good. Oh, that pedal's stiff. We gonna have to take the doghouse and give her some hot sauce or what? Well, there's screws down there, to heck with that. Oh, I think it tried there. Oh, it's trying. Good old quadra pump here. My leg ain't shot yet, so we're not even close. Oh, she's gonna go, Duff. She's gonna go. Use the good leg, huh, Peg? Come on. Oh, that gas stinks. Come on, baby. Oh. Oh, Greta was liking that. How dare you? Oh, we're gonna have to switch feet. Now we're chooching. Oh yeah. Wipers? Of course not. Where you going, Duff? Oh, got some 2020 tickets ready to go. I don't even know if this thing will do a burnout. I'm surprised it even runs. It's got some fresh gas mixed with some old gas. It stinks real bad. I don't know when the last time it was on the road. Plates were gone. Well, let's see if we can't get this thing out of the hole. Oh, almost got her. That carb is not happy. Give it all to it. I don't know. Clear it out a bit. Well, technically, I'm not Canadian, but I say I'm South Canadian, so let's see if we can do a right proper South Canadian burnout. Here we go. Both of them? Nope, just the one. What's hissing up here? Oh, yeah. Greta is gonna see that down the road. I think those Canadians, they had the porta potty in the back, but we got the piss jug in the front. How about that? Not bad for a whole $500 van. Well, there you boys and girls have it. A proper South Canadian burnout in the middle of winter. So, now that I got mine out of the way, I get to call a few people out. So first off, there's a boy, I don't know where he's from, somewhere a lot warmer than this. Puddin's Fab Shop. Great fabricator, does some stuff with internationals, and I dig old internationals, so jump on Puddin's page, go and comment on his videos, check out his stuff, and comment and say, Mortske called you out, you gotta do a burnout. I know either he's got the LS powered Travelall or the small block powered C900, he can do a burnout in either of those, so go on his page, call him out. Next one is some other Canadians, Sobering Restoration Services Horsepower Division. Go check those guys out. They do a little bit of everything, kind of like me. Go comment on their stuff, tell them, hey, you guys got to light it up. Mortske called you out, let them know. And last but not least, Floyd's Mayhem Garage. I think he's out in Colorado somewhere. He's got a Dodge swept line. He's got a bunch of cool old Mopars. He turns around videos pretty quick. He's always cranking them out there, so he shouldn't have a problem doing this. He's got plenty of horsepower. He's got plenty of editing skills. So, Floyd, calling you out. Another swept line guy out there. So, there you have it. Go comment those guys' pages. Tell them they've been challenged by Mortske to do a burnout. You got to get it done by the end of the year. So, I think we got a couple more days left. I'm going to get to editing because my main editor, The Chin, just had a kid. Welcome to the world, Paisley Ray. I think that's the name. I'm terrible with names. Paisley Ray. That's what I'm going to call her anyway. So, there you have it. Doesn't matter how you get it done, as long as you're having fun. Thanks for watching, everybody.